Hi everyone, welcome to Dyness Technical Support Center. Today, using PowerBrick as an example, we will show you how to connect your Dyness battery to Wi-Fi. PowerBrick is equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi module, enabling OTA updates via the Dyness Smart Cloud platform and Smart App. Step 1. Download the Dyness app. Download the Dyness app from the app store for iOS or download for Android. When you use the app for the first time, you need to register. Click Create an account. Select your country and user type. If you are a homeowner, choose owner. Enter your email and fill in the verification code. If you are an installer or distributor, choose partner. Enter your email and verification code. Note, for partner accounts require an activation code from Dyness service personnel. Step 3. Login. After registration, you will be automatically logged in and you can view your account information in Me and contact information and change your email address. Click Add Partner. Enter the power station name, address and select the site type. Select the system type as low voltage battery and enter the correct installation time. Next, input the local electricity rate and the cost of the system installation. After confirmation, the platform construction is complete. Click on the site and then click Add Device. Choose the device type and for battery system, select corresponding model. Scan the QR code on the device, enter the Wi-Fi account and password. Click Start Provisioning. After successful network configuration, click OK. Step 6. Check battery information. Inside the device, click on the battery model to view the battery data, and within info you can access detailed information about the battery. Also have an important note, if your network is okay but the Wi-Fi cannot find the device, please send your country information, battery and Wi-Fi stick serial number code to Dyness Regional After Sales to activate the device Wi-Fi. And that's how you connect the PowerBrick to Wi-Fi. If you have any question, feel free to contact Dyness Technical Support. Thanks for watching this troubleshooting video. Follow Dyness for your energy future.